Hello everyone! Today we're experiencing this narrative graphic game that teaches us how to apply for Tsinghua University. So let's get started. First of all, we have to choose our role.
Tsinghua invites students from all over the world with different backgrounds to join.
Okay, here we go.
In the upper left corner, we have progress bar, prop package, scanner and printer.
How should I obtain information for Tsinghua's application?
The most important place is Tsinghua's graduate admission website. To find the enrollment brochure, click How to apply. You can access the PDF of 2023 admission at the end of the page, which is more detailed.
Oh, here are the program introduction and project website. Each major will also have their own website. Okay, now I can press Apply Now to enter the online system.
You can follow up Tsinghua's information through these accounts, which are also written in the 2023 brochure. There is no fixed time for admission seminar. Generally speaking, it will be concentrated in October and November, but in fact, it happens from time to time throughout the year.
Cool, we've done the step 1. What's the next step?
Read the application guide carefully.
Okay, I'll better take a closer look at the admissions website.
The application materials, preparation materials, and application time are clearly written on the page.
Great, the next step is to prepare for these materials.
Additional information such as gap year should be included under work experience. Time should be consistent and in order.
By collecting the props and following the online registration system, the application will be completed in no time.
Academic certification is the most time-consuming step, so let's get to know it first. Now it's a demonstration on how to certify overseas university qualifications. For mainland Chinese degrees, please visit the Center for Student Services and Development website. Step 1. Click Foreign National. Step 2. Register using email. Step 3. Upload corresponding preparation materials. Step 4. Scan QR code to access payment. International version of Alipay will be a preferable method.
Additionally, if you have dual citizenship, make sure to keep the credentials consistent when applying. Looks like my friends have some questions.
Hi, what should I do if I can't complete the registration and I haven't got my education certificate yet?
You have to provide the expected graduation certificate first, and the degree diploma and degree authentication should be submitted before registration. Also, applicants who have graduated are required to provide degree authentication at the same time. Make sure the authentication and the original degree diploma should be combined into one PDF file and uploaded to the application system. Good luck! Okay, the next step, language requirements. Although I am applying for the English program, I've always been studying Chinese.
Different projects have different language requirements.
I better look carefully at these program introductions.
If you want to apply for a Chinese government scholarship, you must have HSK scores.
Compared to other universities in China, Tsinghua's program offers more English-based graduate programs.
Make sure to leave out time for preparing for language scores.
I don't have much time left. It's okay, I can always first provide a screenshot of the test registration and then attach a description of my special circumstance, then submit the score later. Okay, next step. Alright, I have to scan my academic transcript now.
Reminder: doctoral degree program applicants should submit academic transcripts of both graduate and undergraduate studies. Applicants who will not graduate before the application deadline shall provide their current academic transcript. In this case, the completed academic transcript must be submitted before registration.
And then my passport. Then my personal statement. Hey, it doesn't work.
Invalid format.
Oh, I see. There's a format I have to follow. Here's the template. Now I just need to print it, sign it, and scan it. Next, I need 2 academic recommendation letters. I've already contacted 2 well-respected professors.
A complete application requires 2 letters of recommendation from professors in the academic field, which can be uploaded after being written. Email can also be sent to the referees to complete the recommendation online according to the guidelines of the online system.
One professor is willing to use email to recommend online for me. The other gave me a recommendation and I uploaded it myself. Okay, looks like the materials are mostly ready. One additional material.
Each project will have other material requirements, such as portfolio, examination, etc. Please carefully read the enrollment requirements of each project. 31 schools, departments can accept bachelor degree holders to pursue their doctoral degrees directly. Please see the application requirements.
Unlike postgraduate enrollment website, we can find information on doctoral programs on its websites. Finally, the materials are almost completed. One last step, application fee.
The materials will not be formally submitted until the payment is completed. The department administration will take on from now. Step 2 accomplished.
Alrighty, moving on to step 3.
After successful registration, please pay attention to the email and registration system and wait for the interview notice. The interview time for each project is different, and it may take several months to wait.
It's been days and I still haven't received any news. Is it because I entered the wrong email address? I can't wait any longer. Let me call the admissions office. The contact information are all marked on the website.
We are sorry, due to the winter break, the application system will still be available during the winter break, but online verification might be delayed due to the vacation. Applicants are therefore recommended to complete their application at least 2 or 3 weeks in advance. Thank you for your understanding.
Fine, let's check the information in the system again. Oh, this is quite crucial.
Remember to check the box regarding the application for Chinese government scholarship in the application system. The office will contact you after pre-admission. For other scholarships, keep track of them on the website.
All scholarship information will be provided on the website as some programs vary by departments. I will have to contact my department in advance. I received the interview notice.
We need to conduct simulation test first, download video conference software, and enter the waiting room in advance.
Don't sweat. Okay, I got this. I'm so happy that I got invited for the interview. Let's ask Tsinghua seniors what to prepare for. Hey, I got invited for an interview. What questions did you get asked last year?
Congrats! The contents of different programs are very different. I can't tell exactly what to prepare for, so just show yourself truly. You can also check out videos from Tsinhua's social media accounts. A lot of seniors have shared their tips and experiences there.
He's got a point.
Step 4. Results published. You are an excellent candidate, and you left a deep impression for the interviewer during the interview. Next is a long waiting stage. Results will be released before the summer vacation at the latest.
Congratulations on your pre-admission. Pay attention to additional materials that may need to be uploaded. Look forward to meeting you in Tsinghua campus.
Mission complete.
Lastly, there are 3 tips for you. The earlier, the better. Read everything related to admission guide. Contact the school admissions office directly for more information. When you come to China, your visa will be guided by teachers. You need to register your mobile phone number, WeChat, and bank card number. Information about accommodation on campus will also be provided. Can't wait to meet you in Tsinghua.